Hey, what's up? I'm Bryce Menzies, professional off-road racer. This is my race UTV. Just wanted to show you guys my 5 favorite products that I use for the UTV. The first one is Mudslinger. You can spray it all over this car and it really helps with keeping the weight down. The mud kind of just flies right off these things, never sticks to anything, whether it's the body panels, your helmet on top of your helmet if it's a super rainy day, not getting mud on your helmet. So this one's a huge product that we use all the time. Second one would be the antifreeze coolant. Whether we're out in Baja, in the Vegas desert where it's 120, we use this and this thing to keep it cool, running at the best temperatures, even when it's freezing cold. This stuff works awesome. Next, I would say synthetic motor oil. I use the 550. This keeps this thing running very strong. It's crazy what these UTVs are putting out nowadays for power. It's something very special. So this thing keeps me running strong, keeps the motor clean. I have no problems with it. Great product that we use in the UTV as well. And I love these things, man. The bags, powertrain fluid helps, especially for these UTVs to get into certain spots. It's really tight, really hard. So these things are super flexible. One of my favorite products all around. And last but not least, glass cleaner. One thing we always try to keep is our visor, everything on our helmet clean. We use this, keep all the mud off, keep it very shiny, nice so we can see where we're going. Great product, glass cleaner, we use this for everything.